nice. Look at that. Squish. Tube chicken. Yeah, chicken in a tube. Actually, it really doesn't taste too bad, but boy, oh boy, does it. It's kind of, well, it speaks for itself. Look at that. It's cheap. You're saving money. Working on saving money. If you don't have much money, forget about saving money. If you're trying to pay bills and you don't have a lot of money, $10. It's not bad. It just kind of like, it looks really gross because it's mushy. It's like mush meat. Cooking on low out there, cooking right now. Yes, it doesn't look so great, but it's not bad actually. Once you get it cooked up and you get kind of past how it looks, it's okay and it's cost efficient. Find the little cubes, and now I decided to go with this. A little cheaper. A fair bit of it. So it's nicer to have it this way too. Got some hot water and stir it up and put it on the meat. Using vinegar on the floor. Even if I wash it first with something else, soap and water or whatever you have for the floors, I still go over it afterwards with vinegar and water. As I guess you call it a rinse, but it helps keep the ants away too. But any wipe ups in between, I use vinegar if I can find it. I seem to always misplace it. No, 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 kitty, 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 you're gonna get your feet in the vinegar and you're not gonna like that. He's like, what? Push me away. Anyways, because right now I'm just using straight vinegar. I know, I can wet my cloth. I was just wiping up some spots. Kitty's determined to get his feet over here and see what I'm doing. Fan's running in here, but cooking, and then I was wiping up the floor some there, and whoo, it gets pretty warm. I'm drinking my lemon and lime water though. It's good.